tempted me many times to talk about it. They say to me, I gotta leave her, I gotta leave her. It's a bad habit for a man. But when I try to leave her, my friends keep telling me I'm a fool amongst fools. Now I'm a slave, a slave. I'm a slave, I'm a legal slave. I'm a slave, a slave. I'm a slave, just a legal slave. I have lost my dignity I had before, trying to please everybody. Some say to me, I look better when I'm drunk. Some say, no, 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 I look bad, no. Sometimes I cry, but my crying never helps enough. 'Cause now I am a slave, a slave. I'm a slave, just a legal slave. I am a slave, a prisoner. I'm a slave, just a legal slave. Every night when I'm coming back home, my wife gets worried 'cause she knows she's got double trouble coming home.